Okay, so if you are trying to learn any African language, there are some things that are similar with most, not all, but most African languages, and that is the vowels and how wide we open our mouths. Yeah, so most African languages emphasize the vowels, which are and you see we say not it's you just open your mouth. That's one trick if you want to really master pronunciations in African languages. Just open your mouth wide. Don't be scared or ashamed of opening your mouth. So yeah, vowels are usually a, e, o, u, e, o, u. Very different from, say, I think if you're an English speaker, you would probably say like you know, your mouth isn't open, it's more like or is this English, you would probably say a, yes, a, no. If you want to speak proper African, eh. In English, people probably say e, e, e. African, e, 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 e. So English, oh, this one is important. English speakers usually say oh, oh, oh. African is oh, 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 oh. And you, yeah, letter U is usually you. Yeah, most Africans will just say oh, 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 oh. And one interesting thing is you can laugh with all these vowels, at least in Africa. So I know it's not one African languages, one African language, but I mean most African languages, so I'm calling them African, okay? So you can laugh with all these vowels, okay, in Africa. So for example, with you'll just say, you can laugh like ah ha 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 ha. You see, the ha ha in Africa is not like ha 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 ha. You open wide. You can also laugh with a. Hey, 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 hey. And hey, 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 hey. You can also laugh with e. He, 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 he. Okay? Then he. No, he. No, he. You can also laugh with o. Yes? So it's going to be ho, 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 ho. It's not ho, ho. I think like Santa Claus, I think laughs like ho, 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 ho. That o isn't there. If Santa Claus was African, he would be laughing like ho, 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 ho. Yeah. You can also laugh with o. Hoo, 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 hoo. And hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. And I know there are some people you'll find when they're so entertained, okay, when they're really, really like so happy and they're really laughing, there are people who laugh in all the vowels, okay. They'll start with ha 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 ho ho ho. Yeah, and it kind of makes sense. I mean, but if you laugh in all the vowels, like it really brings out how funny something is, what you're laughing at is. Yeah, it keeps it creative, you know. Anyway, yes, so if you really want to master good pronunciations with most African languages, or maybe I should say Bantu languages, focus on the a, e, o, u. Don't be scared to open your mouth, okay? Yes, and for practice, you can always try laughing in all the vowels, okay? Ha, 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 ha. he 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 he, he 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 he, ho 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 ho, hu 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 hu.